Feudi di San Gregorio was founded in 1986. We are in Irpinia, a wonderful area that has an incredible history. Here we grow indigenous varietals that have been here since ever, brought by the Romans or the Greek. Greco, Fiano, Aglianico. Here we still can see Prefillossera vines, and we still can see a community of farmers that worked generation after generation these lands. Now, enriched by this incredible tradition, enriched by this wonderful legacy, Feudi di San Gregorio started with the idea of bringing this everywhere in the world and also communicate this with a contemporary language. That's a little bit our, let's say this is a little bit our code of value. We are kind of a bridge in time. We want to be a bridge in time from the incredible tradition that we have and was given us to the consumer of today and tomorrow that needs to enjoy our wine. And this is why there are so many similarities between winemaking and creating an artistic piece. The artist starts from his legacy and his experience to create something that needs to last over time, and at the same time wants to be enjoyed every day by the people who observes the creation. And that's what we want to make when we make a wine. Now, our contemporaryity of language, our idea of speaking today about what we do today to the consumer of today, this is something that is visible in the language of our, for instance, of our brand, from the labels to the architecture of our winery. And that's why also we had so many collaborations with great designers and artists, because we believe that there is a community of soul, there is a community of vision between us and them. And that's why we have an engagement in sustainability that is not just, sustainability of the practices in the vineyards, but the sustainability of the company as a whole. We want to leave something for the future that is at least in the same state that we inherited it. And if possible, we want to leave it better, more productive, more qualitative. Drinking our wines or visiting our winery is coming with us in a journey in time and try to understand the legacy that we have that is unique in Europe and the vision that we have that is something that is quite distinctive and is clearly evident whenever you visit and whenever you touch our brand.